What's going on? How you doing? My name's David the Crook and welcome to today's video. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you why you must be using DistroKid team splits. But before we get into the video, I want to remind you to subscribe and drop a like. One of the reasons why I want to talk about using DistroKid team splits is because it's so useful, especially if you're an independent artist. I'm going to be using this beat as an example, so I'm just going to play part of the beat. Using this beat as an example, I uploaded the beat, called it Quarter Ounce. If you haven't seen my other DistroKid video where I show you how to upload your tracks onto DistroKid, I'll put the link down below in the description so you can watch that video. Before I show you how to actually split the credits and the percentages on the track or how to add yourself onto a team, I want to talk about the reason why DistroKid is a must, especially if you're an independent artist, producer, or engineer. Using team splits makes it so easy just to collaborate with other people anywhere around the world. Let's say hypothetically me and 5 other people made this beat. Each one of us is going to get a certain percentage. I could add unlimited collaborators on this beat. If you split the percentage, let's say I get 50%, my boy gets 25%, and my other boy gets 15% because he only made whatever and he just gets 15%. They're not going to know what percentages they got, so everybody has their own personal percentage for privacy. So my boy is going to see that he got 25%, but he's not going to be able to see what someone else got. Also, if you decide to do a team split with somebody and they do not have a DistroKid profile, they could easily create one for 10 bucks, and DistroKid is not going to take their money. DistroKid believes in the independent artist, so the independent artist keeps 100% of everything. DistroKid does not keep any. But what they do is, let's say I add my boy onto my team and he doesn't have a DistroKid account, he could create one for $10. Let's say it takes him a while, like let's say it takes a month, 2 months, a week, or whatever. DistroKid is going to hold that money for them, so when they do create it, they just add themselves onto the team and then DistroKid gives them their percentage of the money. It also doesn't hold you back from being able to upload the song and start collecting your streaming revenue. I want to show you some examples of how easy it is to add yourself onto a team or for you to add other people onto the team. Using this beat, the Quarter Ounce beat I made, let's say one of my boys made a melody. All you have to do is you go to teams, select the release. So let's say I use the Quarter Ounce beat I showed you. All you gotta do is click that, click next. It breaks down the song into percentages. So for example, revenue share, I keep 100% because I am the person who uploaded it. Hypothetically, let's say the person who helped me create the beat, we're gonna split it 50-50. All I gotta do to add him onto the team is just enter his email, and if he has a DistroKid account, he's gonna get the invite code. All he has to do is implement the code and he's automatically gets his percent, and DistroKid automatically splits the revenue, so I don't have to go to my bank, take out his percentage and then send it to him. No, DistroKid does it automatically, so it's just easier for everybody. So let's say his name is James123@gmail.com. From here, what I do, go here, I get 50%. The person that collabed with me on the beat gets the other 50%. I put renew changes and he's gonna get his cut of the song. Once you add someone onto your team, or if someone adds you, you're gonna get an email like this. It's gonna be from DistroKid. It's gonna be like, hi, good news, the person uses DistroKid to sell their music and they added you onto one of the tracks. That means you automatically earn a percentage of the revenue generated by the tracks. Like I said, if the person doesn't have a DistroKid account, they could create one for $10, and it explains everything how to do it here. All you have to do is, if someone adds you or if you add someone else, all you do is copy the code, you go to teams, and then you put got an invite code, you paste it, and then you put join team, and it's automatically gonna add you onto the team. DistroKid makes it so easy for independent artists or producers or engineers to be able to collaborate and just split everything. So if you're an engineer or if you're a producer and you just want to collaborate with other people, you yourself can come up with a deal with the other person you're willing to collaborate and then come up with percentages. For example, like I said, if I collaborate with someone on a beat, we split it 50-50. DistroKid makes it so easy for music creatives to be able to collaborate with each other and be able to split percentage with each other without having to worry about anything. Like I've showed you, it makes it so easy for you to be able to collaborate with other people. If you're going to split the percentage with someone on a song you upload it onto DistroKid, all you do is just type in their email, send it over. All they do is just copy the link, add it to the teams, and then you go from there. In my opinion, this is the easiest way to be able to pay everybody who collaborates on a song together. So for me, I think it's just dope because now it just makes it so much easier just to be able to collaborate with people and to do good business with each other. Like I said, I'll put the link down below in the description to my other DistroKid video if you haven't checked it out. I pretty much explain how to upload your music onto DistroKid, as well as use hyperfollow link to be able to share your music to all your fans and just make it easier to get more plays onto your song. If you're a producer and you want to collaborate on some beats, send me some loops to my email. Everything will be down below in the description. I want to remind you to subscribe and drop a like. My name's David the Crook, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.